Hello students, today we will learn about how to solve word problems of linear equation in one variable. So the question is, the sum of the ages of A and B is 46. 5 years ago, the age of B was twice that of A. Find A's age. In this question, there are two people, A and B, and the sum of the ages of A and B is 46. We don't know about the particular age of A and we don't know about the particular age of B. But the sum of the ages of A and B is 46. That is given in the question. One more condition is given, that is 5 years ago, the age of B was twice that of A. It means that before 5 years, B's age was double of A. Now we'll see that how we can solve this question and how we can find the age of A. So the first condition, that is sum of the age of A and B is 46, which is given in this question. So let the age of A be X. We don't know the age of A, so we have assumed the age of A, that is X. So age of B is 46 minus X, as we know that the sum of age of A and B is 46. So suppose A's age is X, then obviously B's age is 46 minus X. 5 years ago, age of B was twice that of A. So 5 years ago, age of A and B will be A is equal to X minus 5. We need to subtract those 5 years from the current age of A. So A's age is X, so we will subtract 5 years from A's age, that is X minus 5. Same way we will subtract 5 years from B's age as well. So B is equal to 46 minus X minus 5. So 46 minus 5 is equal to 41 minus X. So the new equation is, before 5 years, age of B is equal to twice the age of A. 5 years before, B's age is equal to twice the age of A. Here in this question, it was given that B's age was double of A. So we need to balance it. For balancing this equation, we will do the twice of the age equal to age of B. So we can write here age of B, that is 41 minus X, and is equal to 2x minus 5. Here age of B is 41 minus X, and here age of A is 2 multiplied by X minus 5. As it is, we have written here twice the age of A, so 2 multiplied by X minus 5. Now we'll solve this equation. 41 minus X is equal to 2x minus 10. So we need to keep both the variables on LHS side and uh, numerals on RHS side, and let's solve the sum. So 3x is equal to 51. So x is equal to 51 by 3. So we'll get the x is 17. We already know that we have assumed x as age of A. So here we can say that age of A is 17 years. So the question is, Ramesh bought a box of colored chalks. 1/3 of the chalks were yellow, 1/4 were red, 1/4 were blue, and remaining 16 were green. Find the total number of chalks in the box. Here we don't know about the total number of chalks, so we will assume total number of chalks as X. So let the total number of chalks be X. So here yellow chalks are 1/3 of total number of chalks. It means x by 3. Red chalks are 1/4 of total number of chalks. So it means 1/4 into x is equal to x by 4. Blue chalks are also 1/4 of total number of chalks. So we will get 1/4 into x is equal to x by 4. And remaining chalks are green, and that is 16. 16 chalks are green. Now we will use this and we'll make the equation. Now, as per the question, we can get this equation, that is x by 3, the fraction of yellow chalks, x by 4, fraction of red chalks, x by 4, fraction of blue chalks, and 16 green chalks. When we add them, x by 3 plus x by 4 plus x by 4 plus 16, we will get total number of chalks. So now we will take the LCM and we will balance the equation both the side. By taking the LCM and calculating the equation, we'll get 4x plus 3x plus 3x plus 192 is equal to 12x. Now here 4x plus 3x plus 3x is equal to 10x plus 192 is equal to 12x. Now we will write the variables on left hand side and numbers on right hand side. So you can see here 12 minus 10x is equal to 192. So now we can get 2x is equal to 192. X is equal to 192 by 2. So x is equal to 96. So we can say that total number of chalks are 96. Question is, Nitesh is 4 times as old as Vishal at present. After 4 years, Nitesh's age will be twice as Vishal's age. What are their present ages? So here we don't know about the age of Vishal and we don't know about the age of Nitesh. So first we will assume that let present age of Vishal be x. We will assume Vishal's age is x. So let present age of Vishal be x. And Nitesh is 4 times as old as Vishal at present. So present age of Nitesh is 4x. As Nitesh is 4 times older than Vishal. Now after 4 years, in this question one more condition is given that after 4 years Nitesh's age will be twice as Vishal's age. So first we will add 4 in both of their ages. So here Vishal's age, that is present age, is x, and we'll add 4 years. So after 4 years Vishal's age will become x plus 4. The same way after 4 years Nitesh's age will become 4x plus 4. As Nitesh's age is 4x, present age is 4x, so after 4 years it will become 4x plus 4. Now the condition is after 4 years, age of Nitesh will be twice of Vishal's age. It means that Nitesh's age will be double of Vishal's age. So here we need to balance the equation. So 4x plus 4 is Nitesh's age and x plus 4 is Vishal's age. So to make the balance in both the side, we'll multiply Vishal's age with 2. So we can get this equation, that is 4x plus 4 is equal to 2 in bracket x plus 4. Now we'll solve this equation. You can see that here 4x plus 4 and 2x, 2 will be multiplied with x as well as 2 will be multiplied with 4. So 2x plus 8. Now we will keep variables on LHS side, left hand side, and numbers on right hand side. You can see here 4x minus 2x and 8 minus 4 is equal to 8 minus 4. So you'll get 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So x is age of Vishal. So Vishal is 2 years old. So present age of Vishal is 2 years and Nitesh age is 4x. It means 4 multiplied by 2 and that is 8 years. So Nitesh age is 8 years. Question is, Shalini was 3 times as old as her son 2 years ago. 2 years hence, twice of her age will be equal to 5 times that of her son's age. Find their present ages. In this question, we need to find out the present age of Shalini and present age of her son. In this question, conditions about their ages for 2 years before and 2 years after are given. So let's see how to solve this problem. First of all, we don't know about the present age of Shalini as well as present age of her son. So we'll assume. So let the present age of son be x. So 2 years ago, age of son is x minus 2. So we'll subtract 2 from the present age of son to show the age of the son before 2 years. So before 2 years, son's age is x minus 2. And here, 2 years ago, Shalini's age is 3 times x minus 2. Why it is like that? Because in the question it is given, Shalini was 3 times as old as her son 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, son's age is x minus 2, and Shalini's age is 3 times of her son's age. So 3 will be multiplied with x minus 2 to show the Shalini's age 2 years ago. So 3x minus 6. So present age of Shalini, 3x minus 6 is 2 years before Shalini's age. Now today's age, present age is 3x minus 6 plus 2. To show the present age, we will uh, add 2 in 3x minus 6, which is 2 years before Shalini's age. So we'll get 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 is Shalini's present age. So 2 years hence, now we'll have to find out the expression for 2 years after. So 2 years hence, son's age is x plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because present age is x, and we have to find out the age of son after 2 years. So we'll add 2 years in present age. So we will get x plus 2. The same way we will get Shalini's age after 2 years. So current age is 3x minus 4. So when we add 2 years to show her age after 2 years, we will get 3x minus 2. Now, as per the question, we can see that 2 in bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 in bracket x plus 2. As it is given in the question that 2 years hence, twice of her age. Twice of her age, that means Shalini's age. Shalini's age is 3x minus 2 after 2 years. And we have to find out twice of her age. It means 3x minus 2 will be multiplied with 2. So we will get 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2 will be equal to 5 times that of her son's age. So after 2 years, son's age is x plus 2, and we have to multiply it with 5. When we multiply 3x minus 2 with 2, it means the double of Shalini's age after 2 years is equal to 5 times son's age after 2 years. So as per the question, we'll get this equation 2 in bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 5 in bracket x plus 2. So by solving this equation, we can get 6x minus 4, as 2 will be multiplied with 3x, as well as it will be multiplied with 2, and 5 will be multiplied with x, and 5 will be multiplied with 2. So we can get 6x minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 10. So we'll keep the variables on left hand side. So we'll get 6x minus 5x, and we'll keep the numbers on right hand side. So we'll get 10 plus 4. So here x is equal to 14. As x is the current age, present age of the son, so son's age is 14 years. And Shalini's age is 3x minus 4. So we'll put the value of x. So we'll get 14 threes are 42, and minus 4, that is 38. So son's age is 14 years and Shalini's age is 38 years.